In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find drafts on Facebook. If you've ever started writing something on Facebook and then left before posting it, it can be confusing to figure out where that draft went. The important thing to know is that Facebook handles drafts differently depending on what kind of content you're creating and what device you're using. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to check for regular post drafts, real drafts, and marketplace drafts. Let's start with regular post drafts on Android. Open the Facebook app and begin creating a new post. Type something into the post so Facebook has content to save. After that, tap the back button or the X to exit the post composer. When prompted, choose Save as Draft. Once the draft is saved, Facebook will usually send you a notification confirming it. You can tap that notification to reopen the draft right away. If the notification is still available later, that's often the easiest way to get back to your saved post. If you don't immediately reopen it, you can also go back into the Facebook app and check whether the saved draft is still available there. Keep in mind that regular post drafts are not supported the same way on every device. On many iPhones, Facebook does not keep standard post drafts once you leave the composer, so this feature is often more reliable on Android. Now let's look at real drafts. Open the Facebook app and tap the Reels tab. From there, tap the camera icon to start creating a reel. If Facebook has saved any real drafts, you should see a drafts folder appear. Open that folder, then select the real draft you want to continue editing. This is useful if you recorded or started building a reel, but weren't ready to publish it yet. Next, here's how to find Marketplace drafts. Open the Facebook app and tap Marketplace. Then go to Profile or your listings, depending on what appears in your version of the app. If you have any saved listing drafts, you should see a draft section there. Tap the draft you want and you can continue editing the listing or publish it when you're ready. Finally, if you're using Facebook on a computer, regular post drafts usually are not available on the desktop website. However, if you manage a Facebook page, you may be able to find unpublished content through the page's publishing tools or content management features. And that's how to find drafts on Facebook.